How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. There's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt within the Bitcoin community, within the crypto community, especially because of a lot of scams. A lot of scam coins are out there. A lot of people who aren't good with investing that are investing in scams that are like Bitcoin, but really, in reality, are nothing like Bitcoin. We have BitConnect that's recently gone down, and with it, it has taken the Bitcoin currency. So we need to educate people out there about which coins are good and which ones to avoid. And I believe it can be summed up in 5 currencies. If you're not within these 5 currencies, then don't touch it. And I'm going to go through these currencies now. Number 1 is the gold standard, Bitcoin. Number 2, and some people would argue with me which one's number 1 and 2, is Bitcoin Cash. Some people say Bitcoin Cash is the real Bitcoin because of the lower transfer fees. Number 3 is Ethereum. Some people would tell me Ethereum's number 2 actually. Then Litecoin, then Monero. Monero's the dirtiest out of all of them, but let's face it, all money is a little bit dirty. Even regular American money can be dirty. So stick with those 5 things and you will be okay. Don't ever get into an investment scheme with cryptocurrency that promises anything more than 20% investment a year. There's a lot of people that go for a lot of scams that sound like Bitcoin that definitely aren't. If they promise more than 20% return a year, they are full of it and you should stay away from it. Again, I swear there's a lot of people out there, you just can't tell them that this stuff is fake. Like BitConnect, Devo Coin, Devon Coin, I forget exactly what the name of it is, but if that sounds familiar to you, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's situations where you put Bitcoin, you put money into it, and then what they do is they say, oh, we'll invest it, we'll put it in a bot, and this bot will see when the best times to buy and sell are, and we'll just give you 1%. Or in this new one, Devo Coin or whatever, it's 0.05%, but that's just astronomical. You can't tell these people that are investing it's a Ponzi scheme. They won't frickin' listen. It's like there's a whole group of people out there are frickin' idiots with their money that are so darn silly with it that you almost think maybe there's a mental problem with these people. Maybe they shouldn't be trusted with their own money and the government should help them figure out where to invest. But then again, that's not the free market. But all I see these different ways saying, oh, you can make 100% of your money back in 100 days. No, double your money in 100 days. That doesn't work. That's not how it works. That's not a cryptocurrency. What BitConnect was doing was getting money, saying, oh yeah, we'll give you more money later. Oh, they just took it, they got the money, they ran. And they said, oh, no, we'll pay you out in our own cryptocurrency. Here's Bitcoin Connect money. The thing with that is they developed it, and they're the only people who are trading it, and they control it. They're the gatekeepers. They're the ones with the keys. They control all accesses. You can't go anywhere, you can't do anything without them there. It's really unfortunate, but remember, 5 cryptocurrencies, don't deviate from them. Don't use anything that sounds like them. Don't use any crazy schemes unless it's through something that has been approved by the government. Like there are futures being sold within Bitcoin. So that way you can say, I don't think Bitcoin's going to do good. I'm going to bet against it, or I'm going to bet for it. The futures are different. But what futures won't do is say you will make 1% of your money a day. Like, come on, we should all know that's not how things work. That's not how investments work. If once again, if they tell you that you can make more than 30% of your money over again, if you can double, or if you can make 30%, yeah, more than 30% a year, then just walk away. It's a scam. So remember, 5 cryptocurrencies to use: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero. Don't even smell the other stuff. Just stay away from it. All the other stuff that are coming in is only worth as much as anything is only worth as much money as people have faith to put into it. Any little thing, but that's just the way it goes. So those 5 things. Don't get caught up in anything stupid. Get the coins, hold the coins, trade with the coins. If the price of the coins comes down for transfers, which it is. The transfer prices are coming down. Anyways, that's it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Catch you guys later.